Do you want to learn how to make this super cute fall pumpkin door hanger for less than $20? Welcome to Stillwater's Wreath Designs. Come on in. We'll be using this welcome pumpkin door hanger from Hobby Lobby as our base. First things first, let's make our bow. Cut a piece of 5-inch wide burlap into a 28-inch length strip. Fold over onto itself, grab your hot glue gun, and glue those ends together into a loop. Use your scissors to press down on that seam to get a good stick. Now grab your 2.5-inch wired ribbon and measure 2 pieces at 22 inches in length and 1 piece at 16 inches in length. Grab your burlap ribbon and measure 2 pieces at 8 inches in length. Turn over all of those pieces of the 2.5-inch ribbon, fold them over onto themselves into a loop, and hot glue them together. Use your scissors to press down to get that good hold. Now grab your choice of 1-inch ribbon and measure 2 pieces at 14 inches in length. Flip those pieces over, fold them over onto themselves, add a bit of glue, use your scissors to press down and get a good hold. Now grab a 6-inch zip tie and we'll start assembling our bow. Now it's time to assemble our bow, layering our loops from largest to smallest. We'll then add some fall colored string ribbon loops and then zip tie together. Once you've got your bow zip tied together, it's time to give it a good fluff. We'll be placing our bow at the top of our welcome pumpkin, but first things first, let's get rid of this plastic raffia bow. Grab a good pair of scissors and cut this guy off. Now grab your small wire snips and trim off that metal leaf. Set that guy off to the side. We'll be using it again later. Add a generous amount of hot glue right to the wooden base of that stem, and then press your bow right down into the hot glue. At this point, I'm actually going to grab my heavy pair of cutters, lay it right on top of the bow, and set it off to the side to dry. Once that glue is dried, go ahead and fluff out your bow. I grabbed this super cute blue floral sunflower and pumpkin pick from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to trim those florals right off the stem and then decide where I want to place it within the bow. Go ahead and add your florals in, sliding them right through the center zip tie. If it's a little loose, just add a drop of glue to secure. I decided to place florals on each side of my bow, and now I'm going to hot glue that pumpkin pick right down in the center. Last but not least, we're going to add that metal leaf back into our door hanger. I'm just going to take my snips, trim off that stem, run some hot glue on the back side of my leaf, and place it behind that blue pumpkin. Be careful that heat will transfer right through the metal. That's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my little channel to grow. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. We'd love to have you subscribe. Thanks, friends. Happy crafting.